Google Meet for Web has just upgraded, and now it lets iPhone users join meetings directly through their web browser without actually downloading the app. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Most video conferencing apps support the ability to join calls through a link in your browser. While functionality can be limited, it's an important option for many, as not everyone wants to have every conferencing app installed on their device just for the sake of joining an occasional meeting. Google Meet also offered web support, but iPhone users always needed a mobile app to work. Whether Google Meet directly or the Gmail app, iPhone owners need to install an app to join calls. But that's changing because Google Meet now supports calls via the Safari web browser and other iOS browsers. On iPhone and iPad, iOS users without the Gmail or Meet apps were unable to participate in Google Meet sessions on their mobile devices. Now, iOS mobile device users can join meetings directly through Safari without needing to install an app. Google has made the process even simpler, as individuals without a Google account can simply provide their name to request entry into the call. This update is already rolling out, but it may take time for some users to see the change in workflow. If you try to join a Meet call on iPhone, you may still be asked to join via the app, but if neither Meet nor Gmail are installed, this new option of joining through the web would kick in. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.